Hey there, Fred Horton here. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to set up personal folders in Outlook 2010. If you look at my folder list here, you can see that underneath the normal list, I have four sets of folders, email folders, that I can organize my email into. And underneath my inbox, I also have folders. The difference between these folders under my inbox is that they count against the size of my inbox. So if you want to organize your email but you're having problems with your mailbox filling up, and in particular if you've gotten a message saying that your mailbox is full and you can't receive or send email until you clean it up, one of the ways you can solve that problem is by creating folders outside of your inbox, and you store these on your server folder so that they can be backed up. The way to do that is simply go to New Items and then click on More Items and Outlook Data File. Then what I would suggest is that you not store them under My Documents, because that would be on your local computer, and if you ever got a virus and had to have your computer reimaged, or if your hard drive crashed, you would lose all of those data files. So what I would suggest is that you save these on your server folder, your P drive or your H drive, whatever yours is mapped to. So I'll just open up my server folder, and then what I do is create a folder. I just call it archived email. You could call it whatever you want, but inside this folder I have these different email lists, and those were the lists that you saw underneath that my normal list of folders. So in order to create a new list, all I do is just simply rename this as to however I want to organize email. So let's say I wanted to have an email for all parent contact. So I'll just call it LHS Parents. I click OK. And then you'll see underneath my list I now have a new one called LHS Parents. And in order to get email into any one of these folders, all I do, click on my inbox, and I can just pick any mail. Obviously this is not from a parent, but just for demo purposes. All you do is simply select the email, right click, click on Move, and then I can go to Other Folder, and then this gives me my list of folders, both those in my inbox here, as well as the personal folders that I've created outside my inbox. So if I want to put one in the parent folder, I just select it, click OK, and then if I go down here under LHS Parents, there's that email. Another way you can get email in that box, or any of your personal folder boxes, is to simply click on an email and drag it, and then just drop it right over that folder. And again, if I select it now, you'll see both those emails are there. So those are a couple ways that you can create personal folders and then get emails in there to organize it. And if you have any problems with this process, please let me know. I'll be happy to walk you through it. Thank you. Hello there, Fred Horton here again, and we're continuing our Outlook 2010 personal folder tutorial. In the last part of the tutorial, we looked at how to create personal folders. But once you create those folders, if something happens to your laptop and you have to have your computer reimaged, your hard drive crashes, or even if you get a new laptop, when you open up Outlook the first time, you're not going to see those personal folders, and sometimes that causes great concern. So I wanted to show you how to recover those in the event that that happens. So what you need to do is, once you open up Outlook, click on File, Open, click on Outlook Data File, and then you'll need to navigate back to your server folder where you originally saved those files. So for me, I go to my server folder, and remember I put those in a folder I created called Archive Email. So I'll just open that up, and if you try to select one and then hold down the Shift key to select more than one, you can't do it. You have to actually open these up one at a time. So you just select the first one, click OK, and then you'll see that show up underneath your regular list of folders again. So I go back, click on File, click on Open, Outlook Data File. Again, go back to my server, archived email, click on the next one, click Open, and again, there it is, it shows back up. Go back to File, Open, Outlook Data File, go back to your server in the folder where you've saved these, click on your next one, OK, and there's that one, and then one more. And click OK. And there they all are. So that's how you can recover your personal folders if you ever lose them, or if you get your laptop re-imaged, or if you have a virus or something like that. So hopefully you found that helpful. If you have a problem or a question, I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.